We are on our last one, which is D. You ready, Mariana?
Yes.
You ready, Daquan?
Yes.
All right. You know what? You have 12 plus 55 divided by 5. Take away 2 times 10 plus 9. Now below that math sentence, you're going to put your equal sign. Mariana, put your equal sign here so you can have space to write. Put it outside the margin. Sorry, y'all. I apologize.
Outside the margin is where your D is.
Yes, put your equal sign outside the margin. What is the first operation?
Multiplication.
Listen, you see at the very beginning what's going on. At the very beginning of your math sentence, what operation do you see first?
Addition.
I mean, yeah, this is so I said it.
Addition is first. Now what comes before addition?
Subtract. I mean, not subtraction. Multiplication.
Division.
Division. Yes.
Yeah.
So, when we come back to these, I want y'all to write the operation that comes first and second. First and second. First, second, and third. And this one is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay?
Yes.
So when we come off lunch break, we're going to cover this. Y'all just writing this out. Now, where y'all have y'all equal sign, you should have written 12 plus 11 take away 2 times 10 plus 9. Now that we have done division, you have another equal sign to put underneath there. The margin. Outside the margin, yes. Now, who can tell me the next step with the answer? Because the next step is what?
Addition.
No.
Multiplication.
Multiplication, yes. Because if you have divide first, you know automatically comes
Division.
division is divide.
Oh, divide.
So after divide or division, you have
Addition.
multiplication, yes. You know, after you divide first, then you multiply. And what are you multiplying?
2 times 10.
Good. And this is how you should have written it out. 12 plus 11, because 5 go into 55 11 times. That's where we got our 11 from. Take away. Now how much is 2 times 10? 10 2 times.
20.
20. Excellent. 20 plus 9. Now, your outside margin, you add another equal sign. And what would be our first number to jot down?
2 times 9. I meant 20. 20
Plus 9.
plus 9.
So if you have 12 plus 11, how much
Take
do?
that 2 out of there. And that plus. I mean, and something. It's 12 plus 11. Take away 20 plus 9.
You got it?
Yes.
12 plus 11, take away 20 plus 9.
No, it's too far. Yes. Okay.
Now below that, on the outside of the margin, you can put another equal sign. Now, how much is 12 plus 11? Yes, 32. You said 32, Dequan?
No, you said 13.
That was about 8.
12 plus 11.
23.
Yes. So where that equal sign is, you will put 23, take away 20 plus 9.
23. Take back. 20. I'm sorry, I'm still having problems connecting the printer part. Ah, shoot. Okay. So you have 23, take away 20 plus 9.
Yes.
Now below that, on the outside of the margin, you want to do another equal sign. Now what's the next step? What do you see? 23 take away 20, right?
Yes.
And how much is left? If you got 20 and you take away 23, how many is left?
20.
20 and take away,
Oh.
no, you have 23, I'm sorry. You have 23 and you take away 20.
Oh, 3.
I'm sorry, y'all. Yes. I apologize.
Wait, let me write it on small.
No. Did you leave them in my room? I'm sorry, I apologize. I was saying it wrong. It was 23, take away 20. Now, below that, you have your equal sign. You should have 3 plus 9. Now, how much is 3 plus 9?
12.
12, right. So the last equal sign should be 12. Do y'all understand that first we had to divide? Second, we had to multiply. Third, we had to add. Fourth, we had to subtract. And fifth, we had to add again. That's why they call it the order of operations, because you have to do things to get the right answer. You have to do the steps You have to do the operations in the right order in order to get the right answer. Do y'all have any questions
No.
about any of the problems that we done?
It was fairly easy.
Okay.
It was fairly easy, but a little bit confusing. Just the H confusing.
Confusing when it come down to the operations and the order in which you do them. That's why when we come back, we're going to revisit this. We're not going to just do this and just walk away. Because tomorrow, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to spend at least, I would say, from Monday to Thursday, making sure that y'all understand what you're doing. And then we move on to something different. She had to do packets, so she got to do, we got to keep this rhythm going. So today when she do her packet, you're going to see this math. And you're going to know what to do and how to do it because it's right here for you.
Them circles I be putting on, like I could have swore I left them.
They in my
there.
room. I had one.
You got me sitting here looking for them Jones, man. Get them out
All
my
right.
honor room.
So this concludes our first sit-in with our math and order of operations. I think it went great. What y'all think? High five. Brain work. High five, brain work. Alright, so this concludes this little math session. It's lunchtime and I like to eat. And that's what we getting ready to do. We get ready to eat and I'm going to mess with the printer. Say see y'all for English later on.